Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for the best product insights. Today, we're diving into what many consider one of the best car cleaning products on the market. The HOMEXCEL Black Microfiber Cleaning Cloth, a 12-pack of premium microfiber towels designed for cars, household use, and more. If you're someone who cares about keeping your car spotless or maintaining a clean home, you'll appreciate what these microfiber cloths bring to the table. First off, these towels are crafted from high-quality microfiber material, which is known for its incredible water and oil absorption capabilities. This means whether you're wiping off dust, stubborn dirt, or even oil smudges, these cloths get the job done quickly and efficiently. One standout feature is how gentle these towels are. They're specifically designed to be scratch-free and lint-free, which is essential for car care. No one wants to find scratches or marks on their car's paint or delicate surfaces after cleaning. These towels provide a soft touch that protects your car's finish, kitchen counters, windows, and other surfaces from any damage while cleaning. Speaking of versatility, these cloths aren't just for cars. Their size, measuring 11.5 by 11.5 inches, makes them perfect for a variety of cleaning tasks around the home or office. Whether you need to wipe down countertops, polish glass surfaces, or dry off spills, these microfiber cloths handle it all with ease. Another important aspect is absorbency. These towels are highly absorbent, meaning they soak up moisture quickly and leave surfaces dry without streaks. This is especially handy when drying your car after a wash or cleaning windows and mirrors where streaks can be a nuisance. Durability is another key point. The HOMEXCEL microfiber towels are built to last through multiple uses and machine washes. This makes them a reusable and sustainable cleaning option, reducing waste compared to disposable cleaning wipes or paper towels. You get great cleaning performance without constantly needing replacements, which saves time and money. The pack includes 12 cloths, offering plenty of value for your money, especially if you use cleaning cloths frequently for different tasks. The black color helps hide dirt and stains during use, keeping the cloths looking clean for longer. In summary, the HOMEXCEL Black Microfiber Cleaning Cloths combine premium microfiber technology, excellent absorbency, scratch-free cleaning, and durability. These qualities make them one of the best choices for car enthusiasts and anyone looking for reliable, reusable cleaning cloths for their home or workspace. If you're ready to upgrade your cleaning routine with a product that's effective, versatile, and long-lasting, these microfiber towels are definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more honest product reviews and recommendations. See you in the next video.